you can become a pro at making money online with the help of this video. What is there to do to make money online today? The fact is that anything that makes money in real life has a virtual counterpart. On top of that, there are many money-making opportunities which are only available online. Start watching the rest of this video to learn more. Find out what you like to do if you want to earn cash online. Do you like writing? Market yourself as a video writer. Love to create GIFS? Many people out there are looking for help with their websites and/or documents. If you want to succeed, know thyself. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Before working online, think about how much you value your time. When you work, what is an hour of your time worth? If you only work for pennies, you won't ever be able to earn more. People will assume that's all you are worth and never offer you more. Be sure to diversify your streams of income adequately. Making a significant amount of money online can be tricky. Something that works now may not work later. It's best to have a variety of income streams. By diversifying your income, you can have income even if one opportunity begins to underperform. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. Those who have done best over time have always been the people who educate themselves. The fact that you took the time to watch this video shows that you are dedicated to your own success. As long as you use this learning wisely, you will be able to make money online in no time. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.